For this demonstration, Caitlyn has been integrated into the Foundation for Arable Research website. FAR is a research, development and extension organisation funded by New Zealand arable farmers. The website contains thousands of research reports and extension documents. A perfect use case for Caitlyn, a business with an extensive knowledge base which is cumbersome and timely to search and process. Anna Heslop, Communication Manager at FAR, says the site is a goldmine of information, but a labyrinth to negotiate, especially for growers who are often looking for very specific data and don't have time to find and read through wordy reports. FAR have branded Caitlyn Ask FAR. As you can see, she fits seamlessly into the FAR website. Caitlyn harnesses the power of AWS Bedrock and advanced large language models to deliver a natural, conversational experience, not unlike ChatGPT or Claude. But the big difference is that Caitlyn is trained and continually iterated on your data specifically to provide relevant and accurate responses. Your data is stored privately on your own AWS account, keeping it safe and secure. An important feature of Caitlyn are the citations, which provide a source reference so you can probe deeper if required and fact-check her answers. She has all the usual features. You can rate your answer to help improve responses, and she can read the response aloud. Unlike out-of-the-box solutions, Caitlyn can be fully customised. Here, you can see Caitlyn has been trained not to recommend products because it's important FAR maintain independence. FAR anticipate that this fantastic AI solution will lead to a huge increase in engagement and uptake of their research information. This in turn will increase the return on research investment and make life easier for their levy payers. Contact our team to explore where Caitlyn can make the most impact in your organisation. As with everything we do at CustomD, our AI and innovation experts will take a customised approach and will work with you to find the best way to implement AI to maximise its benefits to your business.